Here we come to the elevators at Brazos Hall at University of Houston, Sugar Land, the Sugar Land campus in Sugar Land, Texas. These are 2009 ThyssenKrupp Aurora elevators, and additionally about Brazos Hall, this building also houses Wharton County Junior College. So, with that being said, let's take a ride. These are an updated take. We're gonna do that freight elevator next, or after we finish these two. One. This thing levels so well. Anyways, before we go, look at the door close button. It is missing a DMG contact base, which that is definitely not good, but the door open button has that. Here's a quick cavity of this thing. And then we're gonna get the other elevator car. All right, let's get the car on the left. It looks like it just left. Oh no, never mind. Okay. I thought it left for a second. Okay. COP is loose. Look at that. ThyssenKrupp Aurora from 2009. There goes this elevator. And now we're gonna capture the big service elevator. Look how big this thing is. And notice that they replaced the Aurora button with their Mad Vandal resistant button. What on earth is that hitting the door clutch? Floor position indicator is out, and something is literally hitting the door clutch. It's also got a fan as well. Anyways, there it goes. And that was your updated take on all 3 elevators here at Brazos Hall. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.